हाय एवरीबॉडी, कैसी चल रही है जिंदगी। इयन आरसीस एक और करते हैं चलिए साथ में। एंड द टॉपिक फॉर टुडे इज लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स। नो, लोर ऑफ द रिंग्स। लोर इज व्हाट? द फोक स्टोरी or the story that has been passed down over the generations, and this is connected with the rings on the trunk of a tree. You must have heard about it, that the rings actually tell us about the tree's age, or the rings can even tell us about the climate of that period. This is what it says here: contain an archive. So planetary shifts, cosmic events, बहुत सारी चीजें बताता है. Now cat will not give you this title and this tagline, obviously, but ये तो just for fun I put this slide here so you understand, okay, this is actually an Eon article, but it's not the entire passage. It's an abridged version. The language has been kept more or less intact, okay, but the detours have been done away with. All right. Now, there is one thing. Purposely, I have kept this passage a little long, okay, about 650 words. But you don't need to panic. I'm simply going to show you how to handle this kind of a passage easily. It's not very long, trust me. I mean, if I make the paragraph sizes bigger, it's going to look the same. कैट में आपके बड़े बड़े पैराग्राफ्स के 3-4 पैराग्राफ्स हो या ऐसा हो, doesn't matter. So you can see the paragraphs here are very chotu, right? So 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. Actually, अगर देखा जाए तो these are 6 paragraphs. 6 paragraphs is very cat typical. Okay, one glance at the passage tells me it's about trees, rings. You can just check the first line of every para. 4-5 सेकेंड्स इस पे डिवोट करके ऐसे ही देख लो फटाफट किस बारे में बोला है. क्रोनोलॉजीज, रिंग्स, ओके, कूल, क्लियर है बिल्कुल. Then I definitely go over to the questions and look at the stems. Which of the following is a necessary assumption underlying this? The methodology of cross dating. I need to locate cross dating. So this is specific assumption, right? I will save this for later. I generally prefer not to start my questions solving like with an assumption. Okay, generally. I must have mentioned it to you in some other episode that my favorite questions are main idea, tone, specific sentence, inference, ऐसा. What is the primary structural purpose of introducing Adonis and the prehistoric wooden piles of this? Mentioned somewhere, specific inference, okay. These may be in one para or maybe in 2 separate paragraphs. Which of the following, if true, would seriously weaken critical reasoning? Weaken. The claim is right here, right? So it's not going to be very difficult for us. In the exam also, if the claim is mentioned in the question stem, you can simply go for it. Sometimes you don't even need to go back to the passage and check because the claim is there and you already have an idea of the essence of the passage. ठीक है? अभी हम देखेंगे essence. Question 4. Based on the passage, with which of the following statements would a dendrochronologist most agree? So this person must be mentioned somewhere. All right. I'll have to look this up. What does a dendrochronologist believe in? What is his principle? I need to know that, and then I'll be able to come up with this. Most likely agree this is true and the others are false. 4 ही questions हैं. Am I going to read the whole passage for this? Definitely not. I mean, if this is there in the exam, I would skim a big portion from the passage. Why? Because I know this assumption is also specific and the other questions are connected with some or the other para, right? But I need to take out the main idea. Without the main idea, I am just not confident. Okay. Now, this is the first para. We'll read it together. When an old tree is cut down, most people see timber. Wood, a dendrochronologist, chronology, sequence, sees an archive. Each ring marks a year of growth, but together the rings preserve a history that extends far beyond the life of the tree itself. They record, ठीक है. They record, I mean the trees record fluctuations in rainfall, drought, temperature, volcanic eruptions, insect outbreaks and blah blah blah. सब कुछ ठीक है. Read carefully enough and a tree can become a witness to centuries. ये read नहीं, read pronounce होगा यहाँ पर because यहाँ पे tree subject दिया है. So read carefully enough and a tree can become a witness to centuries or through comparison with other trees to millennia. After the first para, please pause for 5-6 seconds and just think, just sum it up. What has he said? He has talked about trees, he has talked about rings, he has talked about the rings and the trees and how they record fluctuations and all these things. And if they are read, if the records are read carefully enough, tree can become this. Dendrochronologist is mentioned over here, connected with a question. Is he going to mention dendrochronologist somewhere else in the passage? I'm not sure, but I'm just going to keep an eye out for that. All right. This possibility depends on a deceptively simple principle. There is a question that says some technology, some technique, not technology, technique. Is this going to be here? Let's see. Tree is growing in the same region, respond, okay. All right, now I'm skimming. This is a simple principle. If there is a question connected with this, or maybe if my first or second question jo technique wala hai, for that I need to come back, I'll come back. Produce wider, okay, distinctive, fine, all right. Got it. This technique, known as cross dating, allows scientists to assign fine contrasting, okay, nahi pad rahi main abhi. This is completely a technique wala paragraph and I need to come back for my question. Then I'm going to skim now like in a proper way. Okay, the first line of every para, because this passage is long and I cannot afford to read so much. Okay? The search for such records often resembles detective work. If there is a question that talks about detective work, or like, why do we have to be very careful while reading it? Why do we have to take a magnifying glass and read the rings or whatever? आ जाएंगे यहाँ पे. 2018, okay. Northern Greece, Adonis, 1200 years. This is connected with a question. I'll come back. Okay. Building these chronologies requires far more than sampling living forests. You need to do something else also. You can't just thrive on sampling living forests. So what? Dead forests? The wood that has been cut? Archaeological sites abandoned? ये सब जो मर चुका है उसको भी आप पढ़ सकते हैं, right? Can all contribute pieces to the puzzle. Castoria, oh, my question is connected with Adonis and this. So 2 paragraphs, ठीक है, आ जाएंगे वापस. किस लिए इनका example दिया है? That should be here or here or here or here. We'll come back, right? Once such chronologies exist, they become useful for far more than reconstructing, right? So यहाँ पे he has talked about these chronologies, building these chronologies. You see this? I keep shuttling back and forth in my passage. This is what I'm trying to show to you. Abhi, I'm going back. Oh, acha, connect karte raho. Because if I don't connect, I lose track of what was there in the previous paragraphs. And then the flow won't be there. I won't feel confident. Oh, okay, so the technique. This is the concept, the technique. And he has talked about detective work. So he's talking about building these chronologies with the help of these 2 examples. Then he says, once these chronologies are built, what happens? They become useful for far more than reconstructing. Acha, something more than local weather. Reveal they were harvested, okay. So what all, right? And then he mentions here radiocarbon dating, okay, tree ring dating, fine, okay, आ जाएंगे इस पे अगर जरूरत पड़ी. Tree rings also preserve evidence of events that affected the entire planet. Such a nice and neat sentence. Yeah, it says also. I'm really not reading the entire paragraphs, but I'm connecting. I'm threading them together. So here he says also preserve. That means in the previous para, he has talked about what all tree rings do, what all they help with, what all they contribute to, right? They also preserve evidence of this entire planet. And then 2012, AD 774, radioactive carbon, these sudden increase. There is a question, weekend wala connected with this. Now known as Miyake events were probably caused, okay. Am I reading that portion very carefully now? No. I'm just keeping it in mind. It is here. I'll come back. But this para is also about what these rings do. Because they appear this, they serve as this. Okay. Got it. Right. Now, these last 3 paragraphs. The archive contained within tree rings extends beyond forests and archaeology. So, Abhi, the previous 2 paragraphs talked about this and world climate and everything. Now he says it extends beyond that. What? Atmospheric circulation, ye, wo. I really and truly do not need to read all these things. I just know that they contribute to a lot of things. right? That's enough. Now this is very important and I'm going to slow down here. Put your car in the first gear now. Yet these archives are fragile. In the whole passage, he has given us this feeling that, oh, okay, these rings are Superman. They are going to give us a lot of info. He says, yet these archives are fragile. Why? Ancient trees disappear through logging, wildfire, once lost. Information vanishes with them. Ancient trees preserving old, okay, therefore safeguards more than biodiversity. Okay, so it's imperative for us to protect, safeguard ancient trees because otherwise with them the data is lost forever, right? Very interesting point. Now the last para, I'm going to read it. So the rest of the passage I skimmed. I'm going to read this, and overall for this passage 90 seconds or maybe chalo 2 minutes, I'm going to give you 2 minutes are good enough for this passage. Got it? उसके बाद फिर आपका question, एक question के लिए you can come back and check, right? But they all will be connected with the main idea. Now let's read the last para. To most of us, a tree's rings are little more than signs of age. Means we don't consider a tree's rings more important than the age teller. ग्रैंडमदर कि अच्छा उसको याद होगा डेट कब पैदा हुए थे तुम. साइंस ऑफ एज. तो डेंड्रोक्रोनोलॉजिस्ट, ओ बेटा तुम फिर आ गए यहाँ. फर्स्ट पैरा, दे आर पेजेस टू अस नॉट मोर देन साइंस ऑफ एज. लिटिल मोर मतलब नॉट मोर देन, बट फॉर देम सुपरमैन बैटमैन है वो. They are pages in an immense natural chronicle, one that links living forests with vanished civilizations. Many and many civilizations. These trees can tell us the story. I mean, they connect with those civilizations. Distant cosmic events, climate, everything. Every newly discovered old tree, forgotten beam recovered from this archaeological site. बोला है ना उसने एक पैरा में. Only living forests? No, even archaeological sites where you'll find some wood that was maybe used in some furniture or some beams, and then those logs came from these trees. Right? Newly discovered something, archaeological site has the potential to expand that chronicle. It's for them, it's like a big chronicle. A little further reminding us that history is sometimes written not on paper or stone, but in wood. What a nice way to finish the passage. Done. Right? I'm feeling very confident after doing this much of reading because I know what is where. All right. Now, assumption, na bhai na. Baad mein aate hain. Chalo. Let's start with this. So what is the primary structural purpose of introducing Adonis and the prehistoric wooden piles? Simple language mein, why is the author mentioning this and this? Why does the author give examples like this and this? Why does he introduce this and this? किसी भी तरीके से ये question आ सकता है CAT में. Okay, so quickly go back to that zone. Adonis वाला यहाँ होना चाहिए. You are simply going to look for the reason. The search resembles detective work. Exploring this, pine growing on this, tree had begun growing, all right, okay, did not lie in its age alone. Adonis became one link in a much bigger chain, longer chain. It was one link, helping extend this, reached back well beyond the lifespan of any individual tree. Okay, and even here, far more than sampling this, right? At Lake Castoria, excavations uncovered, okay. So he is giving these examples to tell us it's very important for us to read these rings, whether in the form of living trees or the ones that had been felled and things had been made out of these, right? Because these are links to some longer chain. Okay, let's go back to the question now and we can eliminate. Okay. Provide contrasting examples of how dendrochronology utilizes living botanical specimens. Is he giving contrasting examples? Is that his purpose there? No. Under one point, he's trying to give two different examples. One of some living tree and the other one of some archaeological thing. How dendrochronology utilizes living botanical specimens versus inorganic archaeological artifacts. Is there a talk of inorganic and organic archaeological artifacts? This is eliminated. To illustrate, ये चारों words अच्छे हैं. Provide, illustrate, argue, demonstrate. Argue utna maza nahi aa raha because in the passage the tone is not like that, but the others are good. To illustrate that the construction of a comprehensive tree ring chronology relies on integrating data from both living and long dead wood. This is exactly what he's saying, right? Construction of chronology, building these chronologies, he said. And then he's giving one example aisa, one example aisa. But they are not contrasting. He's giving them both under one point, right? So this is good. To argue that the Mediterranean region possesses the most structurally intact and this tree ring, most, I don't think ये extreme वाला या ये superlative वाला mention किया है वहाँ. So this is your process of elimination trap. Okay, superlative. Just be careful. I mean, blindly I won't eliminate it, but if you go and check, most नहीं बोला है इसने Mediterranean region का, ठीक है? So this is eliminated. What you can do is, you can just keep this, hang on to it, go to D. To demonstrate how accidental discoveries in remote landscapes yield more valuable this than. Really? Dude, is he talking about accidental discoveries? He has mentioned that detective wala thing means we need to go down and look at things very carefully to discover, to locate the clues, to locate the points. So how can it be accidental? Eliminated. Now if you're left with B and C, what are you supposed to do? You know my stunt. No need to chase both. I like B more. So I'm going to take B and go back and prove it. In case you have a doubt about Mediterranean, just take this and go back and check. Most obviously nahi diya hoga. So this is eliminated and B is good as your answer. Right. Go back to that zone. Yahan aap dekh lo, researchers, okay, mountains, fine. Subsequent analysis, okay. Okay, and here, archaeological sites abandoned, fine, yahan. He has not said anywhere, like, as such, like the most something. Cool. So, done with this. Solved. Question number 3. Will I do this now? Yes. Kar lete hain because the claim is right here. Which of the following, if true, weaken? One weaken, right? The others may strengthen, or they may even be neutral. You see this point? Okay. So I'm going to look for one weaken. What does he say here? Miyake events globally recognizable for dating wooden artifacts. Utility of Miyake. Kaun hai Miyake? Kya hai? I need to go and check once. Scientific utility. Maybe he has said that this Miyake thing is very important, so we have to weaken it. This. What is Miyake? Rings also preserve evidence, okay, evidence that of events that affected this. Scientists identified unusual spikes within tree rings formed in this. These sudden increases, now known as Miyake events. So the spikes or the increases were called Miyake events, but what is the utility? Were probably caused by intense bursts of cosmic radiation, पूरे Earth का atmosphere को that was striking. Because they appear simultaneously in trees across the world. Oh, Miyake is not restricted to any particular zone. Simultaneously in trees across the world. Okay. So, kuch large scale pe hai. Miyake is helpful in giving us information on a large scale thing. They serve as globally recognizable markers. Right? So, we have to weaken and say they are regional or they are local. Something of that sort. Let's go back to the question. Now, the cosmic radiation bursts that cause Miyake events do not affect the cellular structure or acoustic properties of wood used in musical instruments. Don't you think this is bringing it down to one very narrow thing? Miyake events ka utility is general, global scale. He is bringing it out, reducing it to musical instruments and acoustic properties of wood. Eliminated? Right? This would not weaken the scientific utility. Scientific utility was what? That they are globally recognized markers. Ye, right? Some species of trees in equatorial regions grow continuously throughout the year without producing distinct annual rings. Okay? They grow without producing rings, agreed. But how is this weakening my Miyake thing? The utility of Miyake? No. Eliminated. The increase in radioactive carbon associated with Miyake events takes several decades to distribute uniformly across the globe's northern and southern hemispheres. What is this saying? It takes several decades to distribute across the globe uniformly. So if you are saying that it is recognized as a global indicator, bhai, it takes a lot of time, years and years and years. So how? I mean, how is this useful? This is what he's saying. I mean, this particular option says this. The increase in this takes several decades to distribute uniformly. This. So where is this scientific utility? I mean, you have to wait for this to suddenly pop up or to show up in some other thing in some other country, right? So I'll keep this. It does weaken the utility. Scientific instruments are currently unable to distinguish between radiocarbon spikes caused by solar flares and those caused by distant supernovae. Now, let's say scientific instruments are not able to distinguish, like find the difference between this and this. Does that weaken Miyake ka utility? Not exactly. So another point I'll give you here. If you're doing this, you can even zero in on A and C. A, C. Why? Because they have Miyake events mentioned. Okay. Exam में ऐसा भी हो सकता है. They'll give you one option that supports the utility. Generally, that pattern is found. Okay. One option will support it. That Miyake 10 trees were found across the globe showing similar tendencies or similar signals. So that would support it, right? So A or C, because Miyake clearly mentioned है, पर ये वाला word matching हमेशा काम नहीं आता है. I'm just giving you a stunt. Okay, you can pull it once in a while. A and C. You can do this to save time. अब A and C अगर मेरा बचता है Miyake and Miyake, you can just check which one weakens the utility. Obviously, it is C. Right, guys? So this is done, sorted, clear, out of the way. Cool. Question number 4. Based on the passage, with which of the following statements would this person agree? I really don't need to go back right now because Dendro, jo bhi wo banda hai, we read about him in the first para and the last para. First, let's take a look at the options. Preserving ancient forests is a task of historical preservation similar to safeguarding archives rather than a matter of ecological this. That means the dendrochronologist says you don't need to consider forests a matter of ecological conservation. I mean, they are like, historical preservation hai and like archives hai, but ecological conservation nahi hai. So this is more important than this. Does the dendrochronologist say that? No. They believe that trees show you this. Big chronicle extends beyond age and all. बहुत कुछ दिखाता है, right? So this is out. Traditional radiocarbon dating is fundamentally flawed, okay, and should be entirely replaced by tree ring analysis in this. Should be replaced, traditional radiocarbon dating. Dendrochronologists did not say that this traditional wala thing should be replaced completely. उनका ये था कि हाँ, it's a chronicle thing. That is what we read, है ना? So this is eliminated. The primary value of an exceptionally old living tree lies in its capacity to serve as a standalone complete. Now I'm left with C and D. They look good to me. Value of an exceptionally old living tree. Exceptionally कोई eliminate करने का point नहीं है. Exceptionally old, very old. Lies in its capacity to serve as a stand-alone, complete record of regional climate history. ये है. The study of tree rings is as much an investigation into human socio-economic history as it is an inquiry into paleoclimatology. अब I can go back and check. Last para में आप देख लो यहाँ पे. There are pages of this. One that links living forests with this. Every forgotten beam has the potential to extend that chronicle. So standalone तो नहीं हो सकता है. These are linked. Correct. So primary value, even if primary is not there, primary हमेशा trap नहीं होता है, ठीक है? The primary value or the value of an exceptionally old living tree lies in its capacity to serve as a standalone. I just checked that word, standalone नहीं है. right? Complete record of regional climate history. This is correct. Complete record of regional climate history. So you can get misled by this option. This is a close option given like vis-a-vis the answer. So it's between C and D. D is good as your answer, but C mein this is the trap. This is correct. Why is D the answer? The study of tree rings is as much an investigation into human socio-economic history. The last paragraph talks about that. As it is into paleoclimatology. Paleo is old, climatology is finding the climate. The dendrochronologists say that it connects with a lot of other things. Yeah, देखो links with vanished civilizations, cosmic events, and this. Right? So if you are an overthinker, you will think, अरे नहीं, socio-economic तो दिया ही नहीं है वहां पर, paleoclimatology तो दिया ही नहीं है वहां पर. CAT is not going to give you word matching ka na exercise. So you have to just rephrase from that portion. So even if you're left with C and D, try to prove one of them. Which one gets rephrased from there? Obviously this is good, right? So we are done with 3 questions and now comes the bummer, assumption. Assumption, now please follow this. I'll quickly give you a tip here. Assumption is what? It's the strongest support for the claim. Right? In order to solve an assumption question, you need to find the claim. Claim nahi mila, to kuch nahi ho sakta. Okay? This is the strongest support. So if you negate this, you are withdrawing it. When you withdraw it, this falls. Right? So the last step when we are solving an assumption question is we are going to negate it. Negate the assumption and see if it makes the conclusion fall. All right. But the first step to solving it is locate the claim. The claim is given right here. We can go back and check what is cross-stating. Okay. The second step is you need to look for options that connect directly with the claim. And assumption is the strongest support, so it has to be connected very closely with the claim. Okay. So we are going to do word matching. Now follow me for the steps. Necessary assumption underlying the methodology of cross-stating as described in the passage. I need to go and read a little bit of cross-stating. Why? Because I saw that it's there, but I did not read it completely. है ना? ये technique वाला. So it depends on a principle. Trees growing in the same region, okay, respond to the same environmental conditions. In favorable years, they produce wider rings. In difficult years, narrower ones. ठीक है? तो खुशी में like अच्छे favorable years में wider rings, difficult years में narrower ones. The resulting sequence forms a distinctive pattern that can be matched with the patterns of other trees. You get it? So regional. Growing in the same region respond in a similar way. So he says the resulting sequence forms a distinctive pattern that can be matched with the patterns of other trees in the region. Much like fitting together pieces of a puzzle, and then you get the overall climate of that particular region. This technique known as this allows scientists to assign an exact calendar year to every ring, connecting this stretch. Okay. Very clear. कितना लगेगा आपको ये 5-7 सेकंड इसको पढ़ने में? Done. Now I go back to my question. Now, methodology of cross-stating. Assumption. Oh, so you mean to say that? ऐसा? But let's not complicate it. Let's follow the steps. So the claim is right here. We read the claim. Okay. That's a technique that works for this. Now, trees of different species growing in the same geographical region must produce identical ring width patterns under identical climatic conditions. Okay. Must produce identical ring width patterns. Bhai, the claim doesn't say identical ring width patterns. It says खुशी के दिन में मोटे, गम के दिन में पतले rings. Right? So trees of different species growing in, and one more thing, different species. The claim, the paragraph doesn't talk about diversity of trees. It just says trees in a region. Right? So trees of different species growing in this must produce identical. नहीं, identical की तो बात नहीं है. Different species की भी बात नहीं. So these are far from the claim. I hope you're getting my point, how this step is done. Okay, eliminated. The physiological impact of localized non-climate anomalies on a tree's growth does not entirely hide the macro-environmental signals shared by regional forests. Regional दिख रहा है इसमें? Language थोड़ा complicated है. I'm not sure, but just hang on to it. Okay, physiological impact of climatic and non-climatic. हमने पढ़ा climatic, रख लो इसको. Word matching खेल रहा है. The chronological sequence constructed from overlapping wood samples remains invalid if it contains even a single gap representing an undocumented calendar year. Something he has said, na, every year something, one ring is assigned something. I'm going to keep it. Just hang on to these two options. Okay, be patient. Regional climate conditions, regional hai, but read it. Must undergo extreme fluctuations. Oh, does the paragraph talk about this? That it must undergo fluctuations. I mean, in order to read those rings, fluctuations must have happened. Or in order to get the regional data from their fluctuations must have been included, like extreme fluctuations. Nahi, right? Year over year to produce recognizable? No. The paragraph doesn't talk about extreme conditions, right? So this is far from the claim and it's eliminated. B or C बच गए हैं बच्चों? Just be there. I'm going to negate both. How do we negate? If it says yes, I say no. If it says no, I say yes. So the physiological impact of this, localize this on a tree's growth, does not hide. Okay, we cut this and we say hides. Obscure is hide, right? So hides the macro environmental signals. This says the chronological sequence constructed from overlapping wood samples remains invalid, okay, does not remain invalid if it contains even a single gap. Done. Both negated. Which one after negation makes the claim fall? Obviously it is B. Why? I'll explain. The physiological impact of this means there you have talked about the climatic Sara thing, right? Because of the regional fluctuations in weather, ya jo kuch bhi, you know, like good season, bad season and all you have said. So all those things are there. And then he says the physiological impact of localized. Localized means in a particular region. Non-climatic anomalies on a tree's growth. The non-climatic जैसे क्या हो सकता है non-climatic? One smaller tree getting shadowed by a bigger tree. Okay, so it doesn't receive enough sunlight. This can be just one example. So if these non-climatic anomalies, aage piche, something is there, those things do not hide the macro environmental signals shared by this. Right? He's saying the original assumption says it does not hide. You are negating it and saying hides. So the thing is, this question is difficult. Why? Because the language of option B is purposely kept difficult. You have to understand this. The physiological impact of this hides the macro environmental signals shared by this. So if these things hide the micro environmental signals, how are you going to read those? How are they going to be the markers? How are they going to give you the chronicle or the signals? कैसे बताएंगे आपको? Right? So this after negation makes the claim fall. So if this happens, hides the macro environmental signal shared by this, your methodology of cross dating collapses. क्या फायदा है वो क्रॉस डेटिंग करके? बिकॉज दोज अदर थिंग्स, नॉन क्लिमेटिक थिंग्स, हाइड दीज थिंग्स. यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग हियर दैट वर्ड मैचिंग अगर हम खेलेंगे तो नॉन क्लिमेटिक क्यों लिया गया है? व्हाई एम आई कीपिंग दिस? बिकॉज इन दिस ऑप्शन ये है ना, macro environmental signals shared by regional forests. This is very much talked about in the paragraph. This is given there, so I'm retaining it. Now when we negate it, obviously those non climatic, they hide your markers, they hide whatever is happening. So if they hide, your cross dating collapses. Clear? Option C, the chronological sequence constructed from overlapping wood samples does not become invalid if it contains even a single, or if it contains one gap or something. ऐसे negate होगा ये, right? There, the claim is not connected with the gap in the wood. Allows scientists to assign an exact calendar year to every ring. Okay, by connecting this with this, stretch thousands of years into the past. Let's say one ring was missing. Okay, it says here, will not be invalid if it contains one gap representing this. Okay, even if it does, even if there is one gap and it doesn't become invalid, your claim still stands. I mean, after negation, though, it supports your claim. Na? You're getting my point. The claim says cross dating is good. right? Cross dating se we can get that chronicle. Here it says, oh, you know, the chronological sequence, whatever you're getting from there, it does not become invalid if there is one gap. Okay, that's good for me. Mera cross dating jo technique hai, that's good for me. So if it doesn't make it invalid, my cross dating stays put. So after negation, if it supports your claim, it is not the correct assumption. After negation, it has to make it crumble. So B is the only one that makes it crumble. Hope this is clear. And as I said, this is a difficult question. Generally, assumptions थोड़े time taking होते हैं. So maybe you can keep assumptions for later and do the other three and move out of the passage. But I hope this one is clear, because this was like really, you know, I followed the steps, and I think the negation and everything should have kind of hit home with you. All right, guys, we are done with all the 4. Keep learning. I'm going to see you again very soon. Take care.